A very happy new year to our students, parents, and teachers. A new year is the perfect time to reset and refocus on our goals. So, this time, let us discuss something crucial to our success: the power of our mind. Our mind controls our actions and decisions, yet it often wanders, distracted by countless thoughts and biases. Think of your mind as a busy street in a bustling town. Cars, bicycles, and trucks. Your thoughts rush by at different speeds, creating chaos. Research suggests that on average, people spend nearly half their waking hours thinking about something other than what they are doing. While this wandering can spark creativity, it can also dilute our focus. Now, to unlock the mind's power, you must control this mental traffic, clearing out all the unnecessary distractions to allow clarity and focus. Let us explore some mental roadblocks that are called cognitive biases, and let us see how to overcome them. First is confirmation bias. Let's take an example to understand. You solve a maths problem using your own method, but the teacher says it is incorrect. Instead of revisiting your steps, you search the internet for anything that vaguely supports your solution. When you find a flimsy reference, you declare, "See, I was right all along." But the fact is, it doesn't actually help you fetch marks. And the solution to overcome confirmation biases: be open to feedback. Let's be real. If your method doesn't add up, no amount of Googling will make it correct. Take feedback like a champ. Revisit the basics and remember, sometimes sticking to the tried and true method will save you from becoming the Galileo of wrong answers. And now come to second type of bias, that is negativity bias. And the example of negativity bias is, let's say your teacher and friends praise your work, but one snarky comment by someone outweighs all the good vibes and keeps replaying in your mind, reducing your ability to focus. And let's see the solution to avoid this negativity bias. You need to focus on the positives. Treat negativity like a junk mail. Glance at it, chuckle at its irrelevance, and move on. And you can also start a compliment jar. Write down every nice thing people say about you, and when negativity strikes, dip into it for a boost. And now let's talk about third type, that is anchoring bias. When your decisions are influenced by the first piece of information encountered. For example, seeing rupees 15,000 shoes first makes rupees 7,000 once seem affordable, even if your budget is rupees 5,000. Thanks to the anchoring bias, your brain thinks you found a bargain, when in reality, your wallet disagrees. And the solution to prevent brain from this anchoring bias is: anchor yourself to reality. Set clear limits beforehand and question whether the deal aligns with your needs or not. This saves you from repenting later on. And besides dealing with these multiple biases, one must use certain strategies for increasing mental focus. Let us talk in brief about how to keep your mental energy directed towards success. First is practice mindfulness. Believe me, spending a few minutes daily in meditation to calm mental traffic and enhance focus works to improve your concentration and your output. Second method is prioritize wisely. Identify your most important tasks and direct your energy towards them. A priority list ensures that your mental efforts are spent meaningfully. Third is declutter your mind. Limit distractions, whether it's excessive multitasking or negative self talk. And fourth, and most important for students, is train your mind to overcome sleepiness while studying. If you train your mind to study continuously for hours, and you truly intend to do so, you can even ditch the distractions of sleep during critical moments. It's about making your mind a partner in productivity. So, in conclusion, I would like to say unleash the power of your mind by managing the traffic of your thoughts and addressing cognitive biases. As we start this new year, let us commit to controlling the chaos within and directing our mental energy towards meaningful goals. Remember, your mind is your most powerful tool. Harness it wisely, and the possibilities are endless. Thank you.